just to give you an idea of the market size, so we're talking generally, sustainable investment strategies are now estimated to be US dollars 30 trillion. The green bond market at large just actually reached in H1 2019 or broke through the barrier of 150 billion, which is quite an achievement. We're talking about roughly under 10 billion, just a decade, not even a decade ago. This all changed in 2013 actually, when a variety of different, not just development banks and multilaterals, but actually a variety of different issuers joined the market. And I'm coming back to that point in a moment because it's very important for building momentum and scale. But the green sukuk market is unfortunately still in its infancy. We have seen sovereign issuances from Morocco, Marrakesh Action Proclamation. I was there. That was a follow-on from the Paris Agreement, back actually announced at COP22 in 2016. We have seen issuances by Malaysia, and we are seeing increasingly, obviously, a variety of different sukuks joining and coming onto the market themselves, especially in and from the Middle East. But actually, and I think they said they are setting to rise actually to 130 billion this year as a sukuk market. But the green sukuk market actually accounts for less than 1% of that market. And that's actually a major challenge.
So we need to get more corporates engaged.
That is
than just the sovereign and the multilateral angle.
Correct. Yeah? Because we have currently, we have seen in that trajectory of green bonds, exactly as you outlined, we have the development banks, the multilaterals. We have seen, interestingly, on the green bond side, the sovereigns joining the ranks, just most recently on the wider mainstream green bond side. So Cox, it has been slightly, actually the journey has been in reverse. We have seen the sovereign issuers first. We now need the municipalities, the local governments, the cities. And of course, we are seeing the multilaterals and the development banks, but we also absolutely need the corporates, because the corporates change the green bond picture. We were talking under 10 billion of issuances before 2011. We saw the picture changing massively, globally, at scale, when actually two things happened in 2013. The first, corporate issuers joined the ranks, and secondly, we saw standardization alignment. That brings me back to one of the points I made earlier. The principles-based towards the rules or standard-based approaches to develop products for primary as well as secondary markets. And that's a development that has actually happened successfully through standardization alignments of green bond principles and taxonomies in 2013 into 14 when the ICMA green bond principles were launched. And we need exactly that type of development, and we just don't need it only for green. Let me be very clear about this. We need social sukuks. That is the opportunity for the people in the room and beyond, because Islamic finance and banking is all about community.